Snow is still coming down like a blizzard. We're about ready to go out there and see what we can do. Driving conditions are pretty bad out there. I mean, you can see it's really blowing. Getting close to 11 o'clock and it is just howling out here. It's wild. Maybe we got, I don't know, 3-4 inches, but the drifts are up to probably 8 inches in some spots. It's just, yeah, it's been wild out here, windy. It's good to stay inside. And you can see the wind is still not giving any sign that it's gonna slow down. I mean, it's just hammering out here.